Let us pour some water on the paper. Spread yellow color, then orange color, then purple color. This contrast color looks very nice. Light green color, strokes with light green, then dark green. Let us draw a bicycle here and the bicycle rider. One child we are drawing here. Let us paint this figure in black now. Tires of cycle we are painting now with black. Let us paint the ground now with black color. Let us paint this headgear umbrella with rainbow colors. Let us create the raindrops in white color. Our drawing of bicycle ride in rainy season is completed now. So nice it looks.